Hello my dear students, I hope you solved previous exercise, right? So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, multiplication. As you are aware about the multiplication, so today we will see a multiplication of one digit number, multiplication of a number by one digit, right? Okay, subtopics you doesn't need today. We will discuss on multiplication. As you know that multiplication is a process of repeated addition of a number to itself, right? It means multiplication. What is multiplication? It's a nothing but a repeated addition. We saw in last year, ma'am taught you. It's a repeated addition. Let's take one example, then your ideas will be cleared. Okay, suppose you are asked to add a number, suppose 20, you are asked to add the 20, number 20, how many times? Suppose 6 times. You are asked to add a number 20, how many times? 6 times. What you will do? Simple. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times over. Now what you will do? Add 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So what you will write? The answer 120. See, now instead of adding 6 times, if you will do 20, which is the number 20, this number will have to add how many times? 6 times. So 20 multiplied by 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. As I told you, multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition, understand? But it takes too much time to add this. That's why multiplication, we can say that multiplication is quicker than the repeated addition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is quicker than repeated addition. See how much time we took to add this 20, 20, 20, 26 times. And see the time. We did 20 divided by 6. We immediately got the answer. Understand? So this multiplication is quicker than the repeated addition, and that's why multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Understand? So it's very easy. You learn multiplication in first, second, third. Now we will see terms related to multiplication. As you know that in addition, which are the terms? Addends plus addends, we will get sum. In subtraction we saw, which terms are related to or associated with subtraction? Minuend minus subtrahend what we will get the answer? We call it as a difference. And in multiplication, two terms are there in multiplication. Okay, so multiplicand in multiplication, multiplicand and multiplier. The answer you will get, that we call it as a product. Understand the terms, because these are very important, right? Let's see what I will take in one example, then your vision will be clear, right? Let's take multiplication of a number by one digit number. Okay, multiplication of a number by a one digit number, by a one digit number. It's very important. See, for example, means you will understand 3,432 multiplied by 6. Now make sure it is very important. Right here also ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, and draw the columns. It's very, very important, right? You'll have to draw the columns with the help of scale and leave for carry one line, as we are doing in addition and subtraction. So this is called multiplicand, and the number which we are multiplied by which number, that number we call it as a multiplier. So here 6 is a multiplier and 3,432 is a multiplicand. Now we will multiply. How to multiply? See, for multiplication, for mathematics, it may be multiplication, it may be division, it may be any operation. You need tables. So in previous video I said table charts. So I hope your table charts are ready. Understand? Unless and until you not learn tables, if your tables are not learned, you are not able to solve this multiplication and division. Next will be division is there. So you are unable to solve. So it's my request, read, if you made a tables and stick it. So read tables 4 times daily. No need to learn. Automatically you will learn the tables. Understand? So without table I am also helpless, right? So if you want a master of mathematics, learn tables. Got it? Let's see. 6. Now 6 is a multiplier. This is a one digit multiplier, So 6, how to multiply? Same, with the help of multiplier to the one digit ones place, then tens place, then 100, then 1000. Likewise we'll have to multiply. Now 6 is one digit number, so 6 twos are 12. So 2 is here, carry, how many number left? 1. So carry 1 here to the tens place. Then 6 threes are 18 plus carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, and this one 9, 19. So 9 here, what is remain? 1. So 1 carry. Then again 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5, 2 ka 2, 25. So 5 is here, carry, which one remain? 2, 2 become here carry in 1000 place. So 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 20. So any other digit left here? No, this is the last digit. 1000 place digit is the last digit. So 6 threes are 18 plus 2, 20. So write 20 here. Now first 3 digit, put comma. So 20. What is the answer? What is the product? 20,592 is the product. Okay. So this answer we call it as a product. Understand how to multiply with one digit number. Okay. Let's take again one example we will take, means your ideas will be clear. Okay. Five 5,204 multiplied by okay 9. You know 9's table. What I said, first write ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, and draw the columns. Okay, then multiply first with ones place, then tens, then 100, then 1000, whichever there are there. Okay, one by one. 9 fours are 36. 36, ones place is 6. So 6 is here. 36 means 30 plus 6, right? So this 3 carry will be here in tens place. Now 9 zeros are 0. When we will see the multiplication property, then I will explain the properties of multiplication. There is one property of 0. If you multiply 0 to any number or any number with 0, the answer will be 0. See here, 9 multiplied by 0, 9 zeros are 0, or 0 9s are 0, right? 2550 multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. Means if you multiply 0 to any number or any number to 0, the answer will be 0 itself. This is the property. Next video I will see, I will take the properties, that time I will tell you in detail. Okay. Now 9 fours are 36, 6 here, carry 3, then 9 zeros are 0, plus what is carry? 3 is a carry. 0 plus 3, 3. So answer is here, write 3. Now any carry? No. 3 is a one digit number, single number. So 9 with 100 place. 9 twos are 18. 8 here, carry 1. 9 twos are 18, 8, carry 1. Now 9 fives are 45 plus carry 1, add this 1, 45 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 46. So here again digits are there? No, 5 is the last digit, 1000 place digit. So 9 fives are 45 plus 1, 46. You will have to write here 46. So this is your product. 9 is called a multiplier and 5204 is called multiplicand. Understand? So if you multiply multiplicand by multiplier, we will get the answer. We call it as a product. Understand? So one digit, as you last year you know how to multiply with one digit. In next video we will see the multiplication of a number by 2 digit and 3 digit number. Till then, okay, thank you.